channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Grok rate limit reached. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Grok limit reached, so guys, you just follow this video. So guys, first of all, you clear your browser cache and the cookies. So guys, sometime a rate limit error triggered due to the temporary glitch or the corrupted browsing data rather than the actual message gap. Okay, after that guys, for clearing the cookies and cache, so simply go this menu. After that you click the option of history, then open the history page. In the history page, here you see the option of delete browsing data. Then guys, you choose your hours and click delete from the devices. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. Another thing is guys, you can check and go back, and here you go to your application again and refresh it once. Okay, and you also try to sign out and sign back in. So guys, for sign out and sign back in, click the option of your profile, then guys go to the option of here you sign out and sign it again. Okay, last thing is guys, third thing is guys, for checking the rolling reset timestamp. So guys, the Grok limits operate on the rolling windows rather than the strict midnight reset. So attempt a new query or an image generation after hitting the limit. So look for a small timestamp or the reset duration display in line with the error message. So if you find that it shows the 3 hours, so guys, note the time or check back after the countdown expire. Okay, another thing is guys, upgrade your account. So if you are legitimately hit the cap constantly, so you can need to purchase or upgrade your X subscription. So basically guys, in the standard and the free tier, it's you have only 20 messages per day, and in the premium, like Grok in the subscription, where you get around 100 messages a day. Okay, and also get the grand access of the Grok 4. So for upgrade, simply click here, and here you see the option of upgrade, and if this is your free, and this is for upgrade for Grok. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.